Hi, I am Ben's avatar. Yes, a real AI avatar. And yes, my boss authorized this message. He'd really appreciate it if you'd give me the next minute to show you why photographers may soon be shooting avatars like me. I hope you enjoy it. Artificial intelligence is changing every creative profession. And photographers, videographers, writers, editors, designers, and marketers are all asking the same question. Will AI replace me? I don't think so. In fact, I think that's the wrong question. The better question is, how can I use these new tools to build an even better business? My name is Benjamin Elton, and for more than 30 years I've worked with businesses and creative professionals, helping them build brands that people remember. Today we're building something new at Strut Media. Not a photography business, not an AI company, but a new opportunity for photographers. Imagine adding one premium service that complements what you already do. Every portrait session, every executive headshot, every branding shoot, every corporate client could become the beginning of an ongoing relationship instead of a one-time transaction. Executive avatars, personal branding systems, ongoing video content, and monthly campaigns. Services your clients already need from someone they already trust, you. This isn't about working for Strut Media. It's about helping you build a new recurring revenue stream within your own business while reconnecting with clients you photographed over the years and offering every new client something genuinely different. If you're curious about where this business is heading and how you can grow with it, I'd love to hook up with you and show you what we're building. I think you'll find the opportunity every bit as exciting as the technology. I hope we'll have the chance to meet. Bye for now.